Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down, then go to device care. From here go to memory and give it a moment. Now from here scroll down. Here at the bottom you can see RAM plus option, then tap here. Now from here, to increase your RAM or memory, you have to turn on this option. From here you can see three options, 2GB, 4GB and 6GB. If I select 6GB and then tap on OK, now your phone will take restart to increase RAM or memory, and then tap on restart, and after restart your phone will be selected 6GB RAM, and after restart if you go to RAM plus option again, now you can see in my phone 6GB RAM is selected, and that is how you can increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.